Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Quana, and today, sis, I'm going to show y'all how I slay my brows. Like, I constantly get asked what I do, how I do it. So, why not make a video instead of me just repeating myself, right? Alright. So, in this video, I'm just going to show y'all how I do it. And everything that I use in this video is going to be listed down below in the description box. So y'all make sure y'all check that out. And before we get into this video, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, sis. So you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Like, why would you not want to know when I post a video? Like, come on.
What? Bitch, what?
Like, really? Also, follow me on all my social media. It's going to be down below. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video, sis, because I know y'all tired of me talking. So, yes, see y'all later. Bye.
Okay, sis, let's get into these brows, okay? The first thing that I get is my Wet n Wild pencil. I got this from Walmart. It was $1 and some change, you know. And then we're going to start outlining the bottom. I always start in the middle because you don't want to be too harsh in the beginning of your brow. So you start in the middle. And then you go to your top and you outline the top. And then you start filling in your brows. Now notice that at the top of my brow, I didn't go all the way down. But at the bottom, I did. But right there, we're going to blend that out, sis. Don't worry. It may look crazy now, but it's going to come together. So the next thing I do is I get my L.A Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I put it on the back of my hand. And then I grab my concealer brush. Okay? You have to make sure that your brush is flat. So I get a little bit of concealer. And I start in the middle of my brow. And I work my way out towards the tail. Be careful on the tail, sis. Okay? And then I drag my concealer down. And then I grab a little bit more concealer, sis, because, you know, we have to get these brows snatched, okay? We can't be, like, half-stepping. Then I drag this concealer down. And then once I done drag the concealer down, I then take my fingers and I blend it out. Now you can use a beauty blender or a sponge, but I kind of like the way it does when I blend it out with my fingers. It's like it blends out so much better. So the next thing I do is grab some more concealer and go to the top. Now, you can use either a concealer that is your color, or you can use your foundation to outline the top part of your brows. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I feel and what kind of look that I'm going for that day. If I want my brows to be, you know, a little bit popping, then I'll do the concealer on top and bottom. But if I want it kind of subtle, not too much going on, I do either the same color skin tone concealer, or I just use my foundation. But today we don't use the concealer. Be careful around that tail, sis. Okay, then once I get that blended out good enough, I go back in and blend it some more with my fingers. Okay, then I grab my concealer brush and I cleanse it off. And this is where I blend the front part of my brow. So I blend, blend, blend to my liking. And then we're just gonna, you know, blend that out in the front. We don't want that too harsh. And boom, there you go, sis, brow. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.